If you have a house in Hilliard, Ohio that you're looking to sell fast, easily, and conveniently, and this property is currently rented out, leased out, or occupied, then this video is for you. My name is Dave Perichin with Sell House Columbus, and for over 14 years, we've been buying tenant-occupied properties in and around Hilliard, Ohio. And the reason people like working with us is we keep everything extremely easy for you. We can handle any conversations and communications with the person that's living there. There doesn't need to be any awkward conversations between you, the seller, and the person that's occupying the property. We can even handle evictions. If there's an eviction that needs to take place, you can still sell the property. We'll buy the property and then handle everything and take it all off your plate. You don't need to deal with the costs and the courts and things like that. We're very familiar with all property management laws here in Ohio. We've been buying tenant-occupied properties in and around Hilliard, Ohio for many years, and people like working with us. Not only do we make it easy, but we're going to buy it in its as-is condition, and that just means you don't need to put any work into the property, you don't need to clean anything, and you don't need to haul anything away. So if you have a tenant-occupied property, or if it's a family member that's living there, or God forbid, maybe it's a squatter that's staying there, give us a call. We can handle everything for you and make you a fair offer. Our number is 614-300-5151, and our website is sellhousecolumbus.com. Now, when we get on the phone, we just need to know more about the property and then know more about what timeline and time frames that you're working with. And this is very important. It's often overlooked, but we can close, since we're a true cash buyer for your Hilliard home, we can close on your timeline. So there's no bank approval needed. That's like a traditional buyer, somebody who's, working with a realtor. They work with a bank, and then they got to get approved, and they got to formally inspect and do the appraisals and disrupt the tenant and disrupt the occupant 100 different times. It's not that way at all. Since we're a cash buyer, it's very easy. There's no bank approvals needed whatsoever. We're going to make you a fair cash offer when you give us a call, and then if our offer works for you, great. We'll get this thing done. We're going to communicate very clearly throughout the whole process, just like we've done with hundreds and hundreds of people in the area. If our offer doesn't work for you, that's okay too. We can shake hands and part as friends. So our number, once again, is 614-300-5151, and our website, sellhousecolumbus.com. We buy tenant-occupied properties in and around Hilliard, Ohio. We'd love the opportunity to speak to you, at least give you your options, and see if it makes sense to work together. Once again, my name is Dave Perichin. I look forward to speaking with you, and I look forward to working with you.